The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Try to be when you touch, but glory from me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Hi Beth and Insing. Beth, happy birthday. We wish you all the best and good health especially. Beth, may the Lord grant all your wishes for the family. And Insing, happy birthday. Stay sweet and jolly. Stay happy and pretty. Happy birthday.
Beth, happy birthday. Aninsing, happy birthday, Sing. Happy birthday, Elizabeth and Aninsing.
Happy birthday.
Hi, beautiful lady. Long time no see. Oh my God, we are getting younger. Jeez, miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear princess. Happy birthday to you. Wow! Big 3-0! 30 na tayo! Galing naman natin! Miss you! Love you! Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you! Kailan ang balik dito? Ay! Love you, darling! Happiest birthday!
Hi, Besh. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Auntie Sabet! Si Casey ni gikan di ari sa Digo City, Davao del Sur. Happy sexy birthday. Wishing you a long and fulfilling life filled with love, happiness, and good health always.
Beth, happy birthday. Sito na ikan sa Digos. Luto ng lechon.
Hi, Auntie. It's Lizel de Aimee, staying here at Digo City. Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best in life. And may your days filled with love, laughter, kindness, and all the things that will make you happy. And I also hope that this year will bring you good health, more blessings, and beautiful moments with your family and for those people who you love. And also, today you deserve nothing but happiness, and not just today but always. And I think that's all. Again, happy birthday, te. Punta mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday, and yun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mabit and Ate Insing.
Happy birthday ng Abet and Insing. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless always.
Ate Sabet, happy 60th birthday to you. Wishing you the best of everything today and through all the years to come. Enjoy your special day.
Go.
Princess and Elizabeth, hope you have a happy birthday and enjoy it with all your friends and family. Love, Frida. Mama Frida.
Hi Langga, happy birthday. I really miss you. I can't believe that you are already 30 years old. My gulay. I know we haven't seen each other for a while and we may not talk all the time, but please know that Ate Jayan is always here for you and will always be here for you. I also want you to know that I am really proud of everything you've achieved, and I know that there's so much more coming your way. So for your birthday, Langga, I wish you happiness, of course, good health, success, more blessings, and love life. Charot. Or baka meron na. Charot. I miss you, Langga, and I love you. You be good to ate. Wag pasaway. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Queen Elizabeth. Happy 60th. Hope you're having a great night. Happy birthday, Princess. Happy 30th. I hope you're having a great night too. I'm sure you are. So have a great night. We'll catch up when you get home.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Princess. Happy 30. You're old now.
Itlog! Happy birthday! Happiest of birthday to you. Hopefully you're enjoying a holiday. I know I'm not really good with words, pero yeah. I wish you more birthdays, more love, more happiness, more good memories. And yeah, can't wait to see you back home. And I'll cook some sinigang.
Hello, Princess Darling. Hope you're having a fantastic time in the Philippines. Getting spoilt rotten by all your family. Happy birthday. Love you very much. Cheers from Wizzy and Lenny. Bye-bye. Hang on, now.
Happy birthday, Princess, and you, Mom.
All the best. Happy 30th. Love you. Cheers. Bye.
Hello, Princess. I wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your holidays and I'll see you back. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Princess. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, beautiful. I hope you have an awesome time on your holiday. Have a drink for me. Mwah. Especially happy birthday. Happy birthday, bitches! I hope you're having a great time overseas and back home. And have the best day ever. Love you. Happy birthday, Princess. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Princess. You have a great day.
Happy birthday. Hopefully you have a good day and enjoy.
Happy birthday, Princess. Hope you have a good day and a good trip.
Happy birthday, Princess. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Princess. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your holiday. See you when you get home.
Happy birthday, Princess. No more guitars for you.
Happy 30th, Princess. We hope you have the best day ever celebrating with all your family and friends back home.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Princess and Mama. When will we see them? You've got to say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Princess and Mama. And Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Princess.
And while you're on your holiday, Princess Jessa, don't forget me t-shirts this time. One each should be lovely. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Moabi! Happy birthday, Moabi! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Moabi!
Birthday di ay ko sa kong iyaan nga birthday. Ay palabing pa stress. Kaya mawalan ko birthday. Okay, once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa akong my dear sister, no? Happy birthday, babe. Wish you all the best and good health. O kinaot ka lang pang birthday nga mabuti mong kinabuhi. O kinaot nga happy ka always. Forget all kanang mga problema. Kada pinsa na. And may you be blessed with happiness on your special day.
From Midillion with love. Happy birthday, Auntie Elizabeth. Nakakain salamat sa iyong kaayo nakog sa akong family. Amping ka pirmi og hinaot nga hatagan pagyud ka og taas nga kinabuhi nga puno sa kalipay o panalangin. God bless always. And to insing, happy birthday our princess. Enjoy your special day o padayon sa imong kabuutan o kapugihan. Hinaot nga matuman ang tanan nimong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Have fun sa iyong birthday. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mabit. O gawin sing. Wish na ko ninyong duha good health permi o magmalipayon kada adlaw. Salamat, Mabit, sa imong pagpangga namo. O tagaan pagdaghang katuigan nga maabot sa kinabuhi o grasya nga giya sa Ginoo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Abet! I love you. I miss you. Hope to see you. God bless. Mwah. Hi, Gao. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come and more blessing in your family and more blessing. And I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mabit ug insing. Istorya na.
Happy birthday, Sabit, ug insing. Nga unta, tagaan mo ang panglawas ug kabaskog. Ug yung manhataas lugwes kinabuhi aron may birthday pang moabot nga daghan sa inyong kinabuhi. Ug baliko na ko, happy birthday ninyong duha. Happy
Insing
birthday.
Elizabeth. I love you and God bless you.
Amen.
Hello everyone! Maayong gabi! Happy birthday to our Queen Elizabeth, Mama Abeth, Wawa Abeth, and Auntie Sabeth. May God continue to bless you with good health, happy heart, and abundant blessings. Oh my gosh, 60 na ka! Another discount! Well, kung wish lang nimo is that, ma-happy ka, and then at the same time, ayaw na sige og ka-worry, dayon, ayaw sige ka naga, and then, mind yourself now, love yourself more this time, and enjoy mo ang 60. Stay healthy, kay dagan pa kag laag na atuon, dagan pa kag mga gustong buhaton, dagan pa kag mga, ganaps nga atuanan, so, napakoy kasalat, char, bitaw. Moto, happy birthday! Enjoy the night! To our princess, Insing, Insyong, di siya ganan, tawag na tawag karon. Well, happy birthday, Day! I'm so happy nga, 30 na ka siya. Tigwangan na di ay ni mo, saan na lang ka, Bitaw, happy birthday, Day! I hope and pray nga makabot ni mo imo ang mga gustong buhaton sa kinabuhi. Hinaot ko nga makabot na nimo in time. Hapit na gamay na lang jud natong ligid-ligid ani. Pwede na jud nimo buhaton imong mga gusto nga walay nang hilabot ug walay ating nga sige og pangulit nimo bitaw. Anyways, ayaw na lang jud sige og pabadlong sa karon kay na dili acceptable ang mistake this time, but I hope and pray nga mga 2 years from now, makuha na nimo yung happiness nga ginapangita. Char. Oh my God, 30 na ka, Day. Sa una, ginaligo pati ka, ginatod sa eskulahan. Mag-uol pa ko maayo kay. Pero di ko malate. Oh my God. Karon tingbong naka 30 na ka. This is crazy. Bitaw. Happy birthday, Day.
Hi, happy birthday to Gang Insing. Happy 30th birthday, Gang. Wishing you all the best and more lucks in your life. More healthy and stay pretty. Happy birthday, Gang Insing. Auntie Lynette will pray for you also for your more success and more achievement in your life. And to Manang Sabit, hi Manang, happy birthday. God bless you more. Hinautuntang at tagaan pa ka og taas nga kinabuhi sa atong labaw makagagahom. I know nga ikaw ang usa sa akong igagaw nga pinaka-strong o pinaka-generous sa tanan. So, buhaton ang tanan para sa pamilya o para sa imong mga igsuon o sa imong mga pagumangkon. Manang, happy birthday and God bless you more. Stay healthy and stay healthy. Happy 60th birthday from Inday Lynette. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Insing and Manang Sabit from Mangaw Family, all the way from Florida!
Hello, good morning. Maayong adlaw, maayong buntag. Birthday maron nimo Abet. Happy birthday. Maayo untang lawas na tong tanan sa imong birthday. Malipayon ta nga naabutaan ng idara nato. O God bless you.
Hello, konnichiwa. Great day na kong ayaan og igagaw nga nag-birthday karon. Happy birthday. Si Auntie Sabit o si Insing. Wish no more birthdays to come. May God provides you the most precious gift in life. Health, love, joy, and prosperity. God bless. Happy birthday, pag-usap.
Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. I wish all the best. I love you. Happy birthday, Beth.
Ikaw, Beng, sulti. Hello, Beth. Happy birthday. Unta, tagang taas pa ng kinabuhi. Amping diha, kanunay.
Hello, Beth. Advance happy birthday.
Oh, greetings.
Hello, Beth. Kano sa makamubalik in town dire. Happy birthday.
Hi, Beth! Happy birthday, Beth! Enjoy your senior. Senior na gyud ka. Kunya, laban lang sa kinabuhi. Pagpadayon sa imuhang kuan kining pagkagwapo. Nga naman tapos sa boy.
Oh, sama na.
Greetings.
Happy birthday, Beth. Kumusta?
Huwag. Abino ako muli na.
Hi, Beth. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Advance. Sige, ayayo.
Oh. Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. God bless. Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. Sa buhi. Mura man kag nag-uol.
Lain mo na.
Sige lang.
Sing may buntag, happy birthday, mayong lawas unta nga maabot as nga kinabuhi. Pag-amping mo sa inyong trabaho diya sa Australia. Salamat kayo sa tanan na magpuyo mo sa Australia. Sing mo na akong pag-amping trabaho dadang mayong buntag. Pinangga mo kayo nako, mahal na mahal mo nako kayo. Salamat.